For flour 550 grams, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon sunflower oil, warm water 250 milliliters. Knead the dough. Lay out the dough out on the table. Knead for 5-7 minutes until the dough is soft. Cover with a lid or towel. Put mince into a bowl. Take half an onion, clean and cut into small pieces. Mix with mince. Add salt, pepper to taste. Mix everything again. Cut off 1/4 of the dough. Cover the rest. Flour the table. Roll out the dough thinly. Using a mug, I have 60 milliliters. Make a shape. You can also use a mug of 200-300 milliliters. Only dumplings will be slightly larger. Remove remaining dough. Put the minced meat onto the dough with a teaspoon. Take one piece with minced meat. Fold in half. Close up the edges. Connect the tips. The main thing is to pour the edges well, so that the dumplings does not stick out during cooking and the minced meat does not come out. We do this with the rest of the dumplings. Take board, sprinkle with flour, post dumplings. Send to freeze for 3-5 hours. We do the same with the other 3 parts of the dough. Our frozen dumplings are ready. I got 97 pieces. If you make a larger size, you get about 80 pieces. Now fold into zip bags for easy and compact storage in freezer. I have 32 pieces in a package. That's 2 servings. You can also do whatever suits you. Now let's boil the dumplings. Take a pot, pour boiling water, put on the stove, turn on the fire. When the water boils, add frozen dumplings. You can add bay leaves to make your broth even tastier. Interfere. Leave to cook for 5-7 minutes. When the dumplings float to the top, they are ready. Drain liquid. If you like broth, leave it. Put on a plate. You can add sour cream or mayo. And herbs, optional. Thank you for watching. Put likes, subscribe, and bye!